While working in the marine lab, while you're taking care of your tank, you'll need to perform water changes. You'll need to do them every 2 times each month. Now, some people say when you do water change, you put this siphon end into the tank and then suck on the end of this. Don't do that. It is very disgusting. It's unsanitary, and sometimes you get dirty fish water in your mouth. The best way for me to show you how to do this is to put this end into the tank, let it drain, and then put it right back in, and it should create a suction, bringing the water out and flowing into a bucket. Now, what you do next is go through the gravel and pick up a little bit of gravel, trying not to harm any fish or scare them, and nice and easily just go through and then shake it back out. And all that debris will be picked up and put right back into it. Alright, and an easier way to do water changes is with our python. Our python is located right next to the first sink when you walk in. It is this guy right here. So what you do, you're going to want to take this off. Hang it back up so you know where it's at. Alright, and then right here, this little thing right here, there's 2 located in the lab. There's one right here before this first sink, and there's also one back there behind where our feeding station is. So what you do is you attach this slip-on thing, so you pull this down. When you pull it down, it should and you just attach it on, just like that. And the same thing goes with this right here, this side. Same exact thing. Pull that down. Alright, and so now you need to grab a siphon to connect this so you can do a water change on your tank. So what you're going to do is you're going to walk over, and right behind or right on top of our RO water supply and our vats, you will find a siphon like this. And same exact thing, just like you did the first 2 times. You're going to pull down on that, and you're going to attach it to the end of this right here. Alright, so next you go to your tank. First, you turn the water on. You have to make sure that this is down, so when you turn on the faucet, that the water will go straight down instead of come out of here. So, what you do next, make sure that this is open. Alright, it should be like that. And you put your siphon into the tank, and the water should flow, and it should go straight into the sink. Alright, and there you go. It is flowing out right now. And so then, finally, when you're done with doing any water changes, you want to make sure to wash out your siphon. So what you can do here is you can turn this off, close that, so make sure it's closed. So now the water will come directly into here. Turn it back on. And then it should go right there. You can put your hand on the end of it, fill it up with water, just so it can get nice and clean. Run it for about a couple seconds. And then go ahead and shut it off. Alright, and then you want to make sure you don't want to leave any water in the hose, so then you unclick that. Turn it back on. And then the water should drain out. Alright, once you've completed that, go ahead and turn the faucet off. I believe I turned it off. Alright, and then you take it off, and then you put all the equipment back to where you found it. Once you have finished doing your water change, you then need to add water back into your tank. So there's a couple different ways you can do this. If you have a freshwater tank, you can use this right here. This is connected to our vat in the back that holds all of our fresh water. And you just turn this knob here and let the water go right into the bucket. There's also a saltwater vat here, which is also controlled by a big vat in the back in our quarantine room. And we also have 2 saltwater vats here as well. And right here's our RO water supplies. If you have any saltwater tank, you're going to want to use these. So what you do is you attach this onto the side of your tank, and then you turn this knob right here, And then once you turn it, you can put this has a little hole in the end of it. You can put it right on the edge so it continues the run so you don't have to hold it. Now, when you're doing a saltwater tank, make sure to talk to your coordinator to make sure that you are doing what you need to do.